This is going to be the 2023 Coachman Apex Nano 208BHS. This unit's going to come in with a dry weight of 4,260 pounds, GVWR of 6,000 pounds, giving you a cargo capacity of 1,740 pounds. Hitch weight on this unit is 596 pounds. Exterior height, 10 feet. Length, 25 feet. And an exterior width of 7 feet 6 inches. Your fresh water on this unit is 50 gallons, black water 35 gallons, gray water 35 gallons, and an awning size of 14 feet. Hi guys, I'm going to go through the Apex Nano 208BHS. Starting here at the front, you got your tongue jack, space for 2 propane tanks, and then of course where you can put your battery. The Apex Nano gives you a nice little windshield window for you inside at the head of the bed, which we'll see here in a minute. And then some nice light up LEDs here, especially when you're setting up in the dark, makes it really nice there. Coming around to the front here, gives you a nice pass-through storage access from both sides there. Just below that, you'll see the manual stabilizer jacks for you to be able to stabilize that load. Nice size awning on this unit, gives you a full length LED for you, really light up that campsite for you at night, help you see around. External speakers for you. Coming down here at the end, gives you a nice little outside kitchen with a 2-burner stove, nice little small fridge. Gives you a nice USB and 12-volt receptacle in there, as well as 110 for you, and then gives you a nice little bottle opener there for those adult beverages that you need to open up. Coming around to the back here, gives you your spare tire, and then of course on the back is going to give you your electric hookup, your water hookup for you as well. Nice little unit for you there. We'll walk right back around here and step inside and take a look. Make sure and check us out, Facebook, YouTube, several different social media places for you to see these videos and many other information for you. So inside here, you'll see this unit does have a Murphy bed. So the couch here would lay flat, unfold the mattress. It's a bed by night, couch by day. And then you can see that windshield window above the head there for you that we saw from the outside. Great storage here above as well as beside. Nice deep spaces for you, plenty of storage for you. This unit's going to give you a nice booth dinette for you. Of course, this table will lay down, turn this area into a bed for a smaller child. Of course, somebody my size is going to be a little cramped trying to sleep there, but makes a great spot for some kids for you. Kitchen here gives you a nice little sink top, nice big sink for you there for you know, your dishes and everything. Right beside that's going to give you your 2-burner stove on the inside here, and microwave just below that for you. Gives you some nice storage here above the refrigerator as well as above the sink for you. And then a nice size fridge for you as well. Decent fridge space. This particular fridge is going to be gas electric for you. Nice little pantry, additional storage space for you here. Just before going into the bathroom here, you're going to see our nice double bunks area for this unit with some storage underneath for you. Finish up in here in the bathroom for you. Gives you a nice little sink, storage, and medicine cabinet. Decent size fridge with a nice little bathtub for you. So that is going to be the Apex Nano, guys. This is a new line for us here that we just picked up. If you got any questions on this unit or any others, give us a call. Reach myself at extension 1000. Happy to go over this unit and others and answer your questions for you.